also some plastics, an old propane tank. So we're going to take this stuff back to the dumpster, and it's an ongoing thing. So come on out and join us.
My name's Seth from Cool Country Mafia and Cool Country Off-Road Addicts. We have several Facebook groups and also YouTube channels. We organize 2 to 3 events every year to do cleanups out here at Locust Gap and Darkwater. That's part of the famous Redding Outdoors property. We do everything in our parts and our efforts to keep our trails clean and to be able to ensure that there's always a safe riding environment and that these trails stay open to the public. So to everybody that comes out and helps us do this, and all the sponsors that helps buy the garbage bags and everything, we greatly appreciate what you guys do. Thanks.
This seemingly innocent piece of trailside land here, we were really surprised at what we found hiding amongst the leaves. Some shingles, some household items, tires, bottles, other household trash. These were trails for a while, but before that, they were open land, mining areas. There's a lot of stuff that you may assume that you would not find out here. Christmas tree lights, a partial set of golf clubs, some furniture. We were able to load several trailers worth of these items and all that trash. We take it for granted how our streets are clean, and in most cases you would assume the woods and trail areas are as well. Seth and Coal Country Mafia organizes these events to help clean up the trails. We're all riders in this together, and we ride and we bring our trash out. Maybe everyone should carry a garbage bag. If just everyone picked up one piece of trash and brought it back to the trailhead, we could really clean these lands. Now, they have a history. They were mining facilities, they were open land, so it's not all the riders that are putting trash out here, but we're now participating and we're using this land. It's groups like Coal Country Mafia and Northeast Powersports and Trails, as well as others, who put these events together and organize and get the dumpster. A little bit of cleanup, some riding, a lunch or snack. We appreciate it, so we would love you to join us and help volunteer some time to help clean up. Help at your park, your ATV riding area, or your woods. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, I'm going to put links in the video description so you can reach out to Seth or any of the organizations which have run these events. Thanks again for watching.